makeup to match my outfit because I have shit to do. I'm trusting you not to comment about my toes. Let's do some super easy graphic liner because I have a meeting soon and my son's gonna wake up from his nap. This looks so complicated and sassy, but I swear you got this. You'll never do it if you don't try. I got a hydro liner for every color that I got going on here. I'm aware this is a little too purple. Oh, fucking well. First color's really gonna like establish our shape. Always start with the wing. Don't think, just do. So this color's like a fully closed wing, but the rest are not. Allow me to demonstrate. I'm gonna take my blue. I'm just gonna line the inner edge of this wing. Well, instead of closing it under here, I'm gonna go up on top. See that? It looks kind of 3D. Now just follow that. Keep following that pattern. I told you it's simple. This is a little bit messy. No worries. We can just go back in with each color and fix that shit. Stop being afraid of messing up because you can always fix mistakes. You don't have to do glitter, but it'd be way more fun if you did. You don't look good with eyeshadow under your eye. You're just not used to it. Bright pink lips aren't normally my thing, but I think it's a vibe right now. When I say I'm gonna do my makeup to match my outfit, I mean that.